Hi, welcome back. Let's continue to exercise 2. So I'm going to start new. Again, model, the unit, and the name is going to be lab 17 based on chapter 2, exercise 2. Once you started it, again, confirm the direction of your extrusion. So in the second exercise, it is going to be extruded in the Y direction. So I'm going to use sketch on ZX plane. There we go. Confirm. Yes, that's GX plane. Then you can see that the golden arrow shows that there will be the extrusion direction after you finish the sketch. Confirm. Once it is done, as you can see, it is a perfectly symmetrical part. So we are going to use the bottom at the center as our sketch origin. So same way as you did it in the first one, we're going to use a line starting from the origin. Then we're going to go this directions, only half of the whole width, which is 120. So I need about 60 of them. Let me zoom in and pan down a little bit. So about 60. Go up around 10. Go around 30. Go up around 20 something. Then change it to arc. I'm gonna stop right here. Right, I'm getting around here. Get the about tangency. Then change to the line, going down. Then when you go down, our intention is to make a line up with the existing one, right? So before you click, if you move your mouse pointer nearby to the existing line, can you see that? There's a dot, dot, dot showing up. Let me zoom in a little bit. It lines up for you. Okay. So you don't have to later struggle to make the same dimensions. Just like that, right? It lines up. Then try to skip up. There we go. Then you can see it perfectly 90-degree and vertical lines for you. Click, then go around 30, go down, then it will snap it. You can see that it will click that, it will grab it, click, then going back where you started it, and click. Then you can see it. It is suggesting something again. So, oh, there's a little additional thing you can take care of. Would you like to close everything and so on and so on. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna take a look. It said, oh, looks like making tangent is more making sense. It's because there's no perfect tangency yet. Maybe it's little teeny tiny. So if you right click, then you can say, all right, correct for me. Click, then it will make that the changes automatically apply for you. That's neat, right? So now everything is golden color. That means it's changing. Can you see that? Because you lined it up when you make this line with this line. As this moves, right? Click and drag. Then you can see which one is the degree of freedom. You can see it. This is degree of freedom. You have it. This is degree of freedom, you have it. Because you just mouse click, you didn't really specify the dimension you wanted. So that's where we're trying to do. Unlike last time, instead of click and getting one dimension, you can click two objects, then distance between those two objects can be dimensioned as well too. So as example, click here and click here. Then distance between these two, what I select will show up. Then click that. The green, that means it is waiting for you to update the size as you want. So 120, enter. It will give you the warning there. Would you like to scale down or up of other element as well too? Say yes. Then you can see you got the black color of dimension. Let me zoom out a little bit. Then I'm gonna go to display and decrease the dimension font a little bit so that I can see more. Oh, if you accidentally moved your dimensions somewhere, don't worry about it. If you move close enough to the center, it will snap for you, then so that you can arrange things much neat and nice. All right, we're gonna continue. So we are going to have dimension for this one. Click. We're gonna have that one as 10. Then we're gonna have dimensions for this one. According to the book, we are looking for 30. Confirm. Then we're gonna have dimensions for this one. That one is 30. Enter. You see that a little bit slightly different because our hands are not necessarily perfect. So we can actually take advantage of this dimensioning so that you can make everything perfect. Right now, still there are some degree of freedom, right? There's some brown color going on. So I'm gonna add one more dimension from center axis to here so that make it as a perfect symmetrical. So I'm gonna click, click. There we go. 60 is here. So click. Yes, that's what I want. Click. All right, looks like we need more, which is, I believe, this height, right? From there to the center over here, right? So I'm gonna have click from there. Then if you move a mouse, or confirm that, yes, that's where I want to start it, or line. Then if you move a mouse over the circle, the arc, you have it. They will show you where those starting point and center and end. Then go there, to grab the point, click. Then it will give you the distance between these two objects I selected. Click. Then I'm gonna have 30 millimeter, enter. There we go. By doing so, as you can see it, right away, you got all the element is turned to the black. That means it's confirmed the dimensions. I have still missing, missing couple things. I'm gonna go to home, circle, confirm the size, 30 millimeter as a diameter, move your mouse over to the existing arc first. I didn't click it, just moved it so that I can see it where the center is. Then it will snap it just like that. Click. Oh, sorry. Click. Take it. There we go. It didn't take it actually. It didn't get this same point as a center point. I can quickly show you how to fix that one. If we got it, that's good. If you show as a golden color, its position is not been confirmed yet. Actually, we can use the coincidence. This is what we're gonna cover next week. So let's try again. So if you have a circle, diameter of 30, move your mouse, try to grab the center of this line. The best way is actually using the constraint, but we'll learn later. Oh, here we go. You got it. Click. Then get the size you want it. Okay, if the size didn't show up, again, click. Get the size as you want. 30. Enter. There we go. So that way you can see the size and the position is confirmed. Shows the black colors. Then now, only missing is a couple fillet. Size of 4, enter, click, click. I got one, click, click. I got second one, but since it's the same size, AI kind of jumped it in and said, oh, that's gonna be equal size. So later, you'll learn that also too. If you change the size of one, because it added an equal size, if you change it to the other side, automatically this will change also too. Alright, that's it. That is for your exercise 2. So once you confirm that every element is confirmed, that means the black color, which is also shown at the very bottom, says sketch is fully defined. Then you can finish. Then you can extrude. Let's try 35 millimeter and say OK. Then press the home key, H-O-M-E, in your keyboard. Then it will make a trimetric view. You can hide your datum coordinate system or it's a sketch to see the full solid color. Alright, that is your exercise 2. Hopefully these two exercises give you an idea how the sketch works. And then next time we're gonna focus on using the sketch constraint to make your sketch more smart and easy to make a fully constrained without much using dimensions. Alright, good job. See you next exercise.